Hey there guys, on this tutorial we'll learn how to use the Dialog Node Graph for Game Creator 2, which is a new tool that I've made so we can make dialogues using a node graph view instead of the original foldouts. So it requires Game Creator 2 and Dialog 2 in order to work, because we'll be manipulating the own dialog nodes but inside this graph view. So we must have Game Creator 2 and Dialog 2 installed on the project. Also we'll be installing the Dialog Node Graph, which you can grab on this post on Patreon if you are on the Knights or Lord tier. So it's a unit package. Let me drop it here. As we can see, it comes with the scripts. Let's install it. Okay, Dialog Node Graph installed. You can find it on King Edward. Let's go to our object with the dialog. So basically, an object with a dialog component. I've just picked the dialog skin here. I've already made the actors, so I can use them. We have player and Tina. So with the object with dialog component selected, let's hit Game Creator, Tools, and Dialog Graph Editor. By here, you can already start creating your dialog. So here we go, add root node. Let's hit inspector so we can have all the values from the original dialog here, and it will all reflect on the original dialog. So let's start by Tina. So the boring dancer has come all this way. Now we can right click and add child node. It will make a child from the previous node. Let's keep on Tina. What do you want? Freak. On the nodes, you can change all properties, same as on original dialogue. So you could have an audio clip, an animation for the character, which will play accordingly to the actor. Everything works as the original dialogue here, all these properties. So what do you want, freak? This will be a choice. Let's just make some quick answers here. Let's get the player. I'm here to beat you down. And another one, also from player. Let's start the dance off. And we can add a new root node here after the questions, so it will be Tina's reply. Let's go then. It's then or them. I'm always confused. It's right, it's then. Okay. And another thing we can do is add a group, so we can expand it. Let's call it first encounter, since it's first time Tina and the player are encountering each other. We can also add tags here as on the original dialogues, so they can be used as such. So we put a tag here, a condition of tag visited, 0. So yeah, we can set this kind of stuff here also. Okay, let's just change object. So when creating new nodes, it won't refresh automatically, but when changing data it will. So the text, node type, audio, animation, you will be able to see all being changed here. Okay, let's reference here. So by this, it will work correctly with audio clips and animations are with these references on the dialogue. But okay, here we have our dialogues. It's the choices that are available. the answer from Tina, the condition, all it's here. Let's hit play to see it working. So Tina, okay, sorry, so it was active if notice 00 visited. So here we have it. So the boring dancer has come out this way. What do you want, freak? Let's start the dance off and let's go then. So that's it. The dialogue we've just made works properly, and it's, at least on my opinion, it's much more engaging work like this with the dialogues. I'm not having any performance issues so far. I haven't made a gigantic dialogue either, so I hope to have more people using it and giving feedback on Patreon, so we can make this an awesome tool for telling our stories. I honestly wasn't much into making dialogues in the original system, but with this node graph, now I'm quite liking it. It's awesome to just, just grabbing stuff out and organizing them in a nice visually presentation. You can also delete nodes. It will, all properties, all nodes, all will reflect on the original dialogue. It's freaking awesome, saying the least. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope to see everyone using dialogue node graph, because it's been an awesome experience for me using it, and I hope it can be an awesome experience for you. If you're already using it, drop a feedback on Patreon so we can improve it further. Also, if you're still not a patron, consider joining it and helping me create more awesome tools for Game Creator 2. We already have lots of custom instructions. There is also the shield manager for equipping shields independent from the melee weapon. Also new cycle target and a new attribute UI. There's plenty of stuff already. I'm planning on having much more, some full modules, and I will love having your support. Cheers!